Welcome back, stargazers. Tonight, our cosmic adventure continues as we delve deeper into the enchanting world of constellations. Let's discover 8 more celestial wonders. On to Pisces. Pisces. Pisces is represented by 2 fish swimming in opposite directions, connected by a cord. Look for the circlet of Pisces, a distinctive loop of stars. It's as fluid as the ebb and flow of the ocean. Let's discover Andromeda. Andromeda. Andromeda features the Andromeda Galaxy, the nearest spiral galaxy to our Milky Way. Look for the star Alpheratz, which marks the princess's head. It's as distant as a faraway dream. Finally, we've arrived at Auriga. Auriga. Auriga represents a charioteer holding a goat and 2 kids. Look for the bright star Capella, which marks the charioteer's shoulder. It's as steady as a skilled driver.